Hey everyone, welcome back in this new design challenge, 3 quotes in 5 minutes. Is it actually possible? Well, I don't know, to be honest. I didn't try it before. I think it's possible, honestly, because it's a super easy process that you too can learn. You just have to click in the description. There is a free courses just for you, okay? So now let's move on, and I will show you how I will do it. So there is a cube timer, so I will just start it and it will record the time. There's Google Image, we'll look for some resources, and a splash where I can find some free images. I prepared my logo to put it on the quote, and the end result will be a quote ready to be put on social media. So I will go for 3 thematics. First one will be inspiration, motivation, niche related. Second one will be a Pinterest style, so a really feminine quote. And the third one will be a company, institutional, or NGO. Okay, so are you actually ready? Yeah, I think we're gonna start 5 minutes. Do you think it's possible? Write it in the comments. What time do you think it will be? Let's make a bet, like who will be the closest. We can start. Let's start it. Okay, so for the motivation, I will look for something like, I don't know, work out, maybe. I'm gonna take something really, yeah, I think this one is perfectly in the field. Okay, so I need to create my document, sorry. So I will go for, yeah, 1000 by 1000, 1:1 ratio, it's square for Instagram. Then I'm going to put an overlay, I think, because the image is really noisy, so it's going to distract the quote from the quote. And put the quote, I don't know, work harder. Does it work? Probably. Okay, now I will put the logo. So I don't actually know how I can make this logo makes not too invasive. It's really subtle because I just want to sign the image, and I will put also fulfillment the hashtag. So those fonts are the font from my graphical chart, the font of my brand. So I don't actually need to select them. Reduce a bit the opacity. What I don't like with the logo is that it's in colors and the image is in black and white. Yeah, it will be much better. Let's see if we can increase. I don't know how much time I still get. Okay, so this will be the first quote. I need to center everything. Okay. Okay, let's go export it. We'll put it on the desktop. Okay, it's 1. Second, I will go for the Pinterest like minimalist. Let's see what we can get. Something a bit feminine. What is basic? 1000 by 1050. It's beautiful tree actually. Okay, so which quote can I do? Love yourself. That's essential. I don't know, it's really crappy, but so let's see if I don't have an unwritten font. I don't see anything because it's white. Damn. Like this is really modern. I really love it. So I'm gonna invert the image to make it under. Oh my god, the result is so weird. But I will keep it like this just for the troll. I think nobody will notice anyway. So now the logo will be not that appropriate because the colors again not working. So what I will do is that I will put a square, green square on it to think that is working. Okay. So this was for the Pinterest style. I hope I didn't forget anything. Startup. Okay, what do I want? This one? No, I want people, I want values. Let's take this first one. Mask and overlay. Okay, progress is our starting point. Okay, so this one is the institutional one. I just want to make something really basic. Damn, I lost my properties panel. What a mistake. I'm gonna lose my challenge, I think, is our starting place. really not a big fan of this one. CEO Jax. CEO. Let's find some blue, maybe. Yeah, it's gonna work. But this is not my best, but I think I will go for that. He actually. Okay, so the free quotes are finished. Let's see how. 8 minutes. So this is a big fail. We can say it. Yeah, it's a huge fail. But actually, it's a big fail. There is not that many. I will not do it again because as I told you, it was the first time I was doing it, and I think it could be better. Like especially this one, I think there is some kind of problem, but it's working. It could be better, but it's working. This is a good exercise to learn what is actually needed. Like I could spend 3 hours on this design to make it perfect, but the question is, does it actually need to be perfect? Because if I can do it in 3 minutes, why should I break my balls to do it in 3 hours? The thing is that it will be better, yeah, but is the additional benefits are going to be worth the 3 hours I spent on it? I'm not sure, and this is why I do this kind of creative exercise also. It's because it teaches you that you can do things way faster than you think, and it's enough. It's enough. It's not perfect, yeah, but it's doing the job. I don't know if you know about the 80-20 law. With 20 of time, you can get 80% of the result, and after 80% of the result, you will spend 80% to get the 20% that left. So it's really not worth.